Hi and welcome to my channel. I'm Cassie from Faodail Creation, and every single Wednesday I upload a new video right here. It's all about how to use your sewing machine or simple sewing tips and tricks. So let's go to that sewing machine and finish off that project. So watch what I do here. I'm going to take this part and point it upwards, and then this part and point it horizontal, and then we're going to pin this into place. So I'm going to show you this again. I am going to point the right hand side upwards, right side's up, and I'm going to point the left hand side horizontal, and I'm going to pin that into place. I've pinned this into place now, and I already have my marking right here. So I'm going to take this to the sewing machine and sew it. Sew straight down that line. Then I'm just going to cut this off here, 1/4 inch, and I'm going to press it and iron it flat. So I went to my iron and I ironed this down, and I opened my seam down the centre here and flattened that. Now all that's left to do is sew all the way down here in order to shut that closed. So let's just sew this whole thing shut. There we go. So now your project looks like this. Now here's the magic. We are going to flip this around. See how you're getting these lovely corners here? Flip around and flip this around here. You kind of want to watch this as well, that your original binding doesn't end up on a corner. So what I do at this point is I fold my binding over like so, and then I'll get one of my clips and clip it. And just a tip for the corner, to get a really nice looking corner, just fold it over like so, and then fold this one back on itself, and it ends up looking something like this. And then just get your clip and just pin it in place. This is our project all clipped. You can use pins if that's what you like. I prefer to use these clips. So I've clipped it all the way around. Now if you have any frayed bits, remember to cut them out before you start sewing. The next stage is completely up to you. You can go around and hand stitch, or you can machine sew. Now if you're going to machine sew, you're going to have to sew this in place here, matching the back side as well. Otherwise your stitching may end up lower on the back than what it is on the front. So this is why I prefer the hand stitched method. I can control where my stitches go, and I just find it a lot more tidier to do. So this week was a selection of 3 videos, just because I was thinking of you guys watching it back and the 3 different stages of finishing this binding off. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give me a thumbs up, and if you're not already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss seeing me next week. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.